Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn how to solve this question, and this question is guaranteed for 5 marks in your board exams. So the first basic thing is to identify the type of condition. So if it is from f of r to r or n to n or z to z. Okay, you have to identify the type of conditions given. So in this type of question they've given the condition based on r to r. So in the future videos I'll make sure to teach the condition for n to n as well as z to z. Okay, and you have to write the same method for every question if they've asked you from r to r. Okay, so make sure you practice this very perfectly. Okay, each method r to r is different and n to n is different. So if you combine both and write, you'll not be getting any mark. So make sure you practice this question so many times so that it will be registered in your minds. So you should be knowing the conditions or the formulas for one-to-one function. As this is functions, you have to know the condition for one-to-one and on-to. Okay, because you have to prove that it is one-to-one onto. So if it is one-to-one and onto, then if it is like both, then it is called as a bijective function. Okay, so let us see the condition for one-to-one. F of x of 1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 and x2 belongs to r. So this is the conditions where x1 should be equal to x2. This is the condition for one-one function. And onto function, there's a different type of condition here. See, for every y belongs to r, there exists x belongs to r such that f of x is equal to y. So this is the condition for onto for r to r function condition. Okay, so this onto, proving it is onto, it depends on the condition. So when it comes to r to r, we have to use this type of condition only. Okay, so now let's solve this. Suppose we have to write the condition f of x of 1 is equal to f of x of 2, where x1 x2 belongs to r. We wrote the condition. So make sure you use this here. Okay, so 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. Okay, so here what happens, 3 get cancels, then minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Here 4 get cancelled. You have to write the steps as it is. Don't try to miss the steps. Okay, so x1 is equal to x2. So therefore f is a one-one function. So we have proved that f is equal to one-one function. So let's prove f is onto now. So make sure you follow the step, because this step is very important and everyone will try to miss this step, so you'll lose marks if you miss this step. So consider y belongs to r codomain. If you don't write this, 1 mark will be deducted, so be careful. So you have to write, consider y belongs to r, it's a codomain such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, you have to write the step. Therefore f of x is equal to y. You have to take this condition. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4x is equal to y as it is. So you have to interchange here. So take 4x here. So 4x becomes plus is equal to 3 minus y. 4x goes here and y comes here. So it's like 3 minus y. This step is very important. And finally shift 4 that side, 3 minus y by 4. This belongs to R. This is a domain for all y. So till here you will get full marks. I mean, you have to write f is an onto function. Okay, till here you will get 4 marks. Okay, so the last step is to write, I'll just write it here. Since f is 1 function and onto function, f is bijective. So I'll repeat this again. So first you have to prove it as 1 function. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 and x2 belongs to R. So take this condition here, 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. Again 3 get cancels, 4 get cancels, until you get x1 is equal to x2. You have to be cancelling it out, and f is equal to onto 1 function. Okay, so the next step is to prove it is onto function. This condition is very important. This condition is very important. Consider y belongs to our codomain such that f of x is equal to y. So you have to take this condition here. So f of x is equal to, it's already given in the question that 3 minus 4x. So just add it here and y as it is. So try to shift few numbers to the left side as well as to the right side. So 4x, it will be here only, and it gets shifted of course to the right side, and y to the left side. So 3 minus y. So totally you have to write this. So full, if you write this, you're gonna get 5 marks. Okay, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe my channel.